Welcome to part 2 of Animal Trivia Test. There will be 30 multiple choice questions on animal behavior and biology. Let's start. 1. How do koalas get most of their water? A. Drinking from rivers. B. From morning dew. C. From eating eucalyptus leaves. D. Through their skin. C. They get hydration from eucalyptus leaves. What is a group of owls called? A. A flock. B. A stare. C. A parliament. D. A hoot. C. A parliament of owls. Which animal can recognize itself in a mirror? A. Elephant. B. Goldfish. C. Dog. D. Cat. A. Elephants show mirror self-recognition. What is the fastest animal in the world? A. Cheetah. B. Peregrine falcon. C. Sailfish. D. Pronghorn antelope. B. Peregrine falcon in a dive, over 240 miles per hour. Why do goats sometimes faint? A. They get scared easily. B. A genetic muscle condition. C. They're pretending. D. Low blood sugar. B. Fainting goats have a hereditary muscle stiffness. What do you call a baby hedgehog? A. Pup. B. Cub. C. Spike. D. Hoglet. D. Hoglet. How many noses does a slug have? A. 0. B. 1. C. 2. D. 4. D. Slugs have 4 olfactory organs. Which bird has the largest wingspan? A. Albatross. B. Bald eagle. C. Condor. D. Pelican. A. The wandering albatross holds the record for the largest wingspan of any living bird, stretching up to about 12 feet from tip to tip. 9. Why do raccoons wash their food? A. To clean it. B. To soften it. C. To examine it. D. It's a myth. C. To examine it better. They have sensitive paws and feel their food in water. Which animal has fingerprints almost identical to humans? A. Chimpanzee. B. Gorilla. C. Raccoon. D. Koala. B. Koala fingerprints are very similar to humans. What is a baby puffin called? A. Pufferling. B. Chick. C. Puff. D. Puffle. A. Pufferling. How do ants communicate? A. Squeaking sounds. B. Dancing. C. Pheromones. D. Foot stomping. C. They use chemical signals called pheromones. Which animal sleeps the most per day? A. Sloth. B. Koala. C. Brown bat. D. Python. C. Some brown bats sleep 20 hours a day. What is the only bird that can fly backward and hover? A. Sparrow. B. Hummingbird. C. Kingfisher. D. Swallow. B. Hummingbird. Why do some fish glow in the dark? A. To attract mates. B. To scare predators. C. For hunting. D. All of the above. D. Bioluminescence serves multiple purposes. What do butterflies taste with? A. Their mouths. B. Their antennae. C. Their wings. D. Their feet. D. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet. Which mammal can hold its breath the longest? A. Whale. B. Human. C. Seal. D. Sloth. A. Whale. Sperm whales can hold breath for up to 90 minutes. Why do some beetles shoot boiling chemicals? A. Self-defense. B. For fun. C. To communicate. D. To cook prey. A. Self-defense. Bombardier beetles spray hot chemicals as defense. How do frogs drink water? A. Lapping with tongues. B. Through their skin. C. Sucking through mouth. D. They don't drink water. B. They absorb water through their skin. What's the smartest invertebrate? A. Octopus. B. Jellyfish. C. Earthworm. D. Starfish. A. Octopuses are highly intelligent problem solvers. Which animal's eye is bigger than its brain? A. Horse. B. Owl. C. Tarsier. D. Ostrich. D. Ostrich. Why do some lizards walk on water? A. Oil-coated skin that repels water. B. Super speed and webbed toes. C. Hollow bones. D. Webbed feet. B. Super speed and fringed toes. Basilisk lizards run fast enough to stay atop water. What is the world's loudest animal relative to size? A. Howler monkey. B. Pistol shrimp. C. Cicada. D. The water boatman. D. The water boatman, micronectar, relative to size. Why do chickens roll in dirt? A. To bathe. B. To stay cool. C. Dust baths remove parasites. D. To hide from predators. C. Dust baths help control mites and lice. What animal has the best sense of smell? A. Bloodhound. B. Rat. C. Bear. D. Elephant. D. African elephants have 2,000 olfactory receptor genes, making them the animals with the strongest sense of smell. Which bird can mimic almost any sound? A. Lyrebird. B. Parrot. C. Mockingbird. D. Crow. A. Lyrebird can mimic chainsaws, cameras, and other birds. How do sea turtles find the beach they were born on? A. Smell. B. Sound. C. Star navigation. D. Magnetic field. D. They detect Earth's magnetic fields. Which of these animals has 3 eyelids? A. Cat. B. Camel. C. Crocodile. D. All of the above. D. All of the above. Cats, camels, and crocodiles all have a 3rd eyelid, nictitating membrane, for eye protection. Which insect can lift 50 times its body weight? A. Ant. B. Beetle. C. Bee. D. Grasshopper. Some ant species can lift 50x their weight. Why do puffins have colorful beaks? A. To attract mates. B. To scare predators. C. To store fish. D. For camouflage. A. To attract mates. Bright beaks signal health during mating. That's the end of today's quiz. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next video. Thanks for watching.